When we reflect a shape through a mirror line, what we need to do is make another version of every point on the original shape on the other side of the mirror line. And this new point needs to be the same distance away as the original shape was from the mirror line. And that distance needs to be drawn and measured at right angles to the mirror line. So if we're going to do that, probably the best thing that we do is draw ourselves some construction lines. So we'll start with point A, and we're going to draw a straight line out from point A going to our mirror line. That straight line needs to be at right angles. If we're doing this in a general sense, we'd probably get our protractor out at this point and measure a right angle. But because this line is going directly through the diagonals on my graph, all that's going to happen for our construction line is it's going to go directly through the opposite diagonals. And what you'll find is the questions you get on your exams at this level will be either with diagonal lines like this or with horizontal and vertical lines. And so you can just look at the squares in order to draw the construction line. So starting with point A then, we will draw this construction line out. So coming out here, it goes through 1, 2, 3 squares like so, which means it's got to go 1, 2, 3 squares on the other side. And that will be our new point here. Each point we label in the same way as we labeled the first point, so it was point A here, so it's going to be point A there, but because it's our transformed version of the shape, it's what we call its image, we put a little dash, a prime symbol, so it's A primed there, is our new point. Just mark that in a little bit more clearly there. Carry on, and we'll do the same construction lines for each of the other points. So going for B, go through 1, 2, 3, 4 squares, which means 1, 2, 3, 4 squares out the other side. And you want to make sure that you do all of the points so you're absolutely clear on what the new shape is going to be. So going for C, it's a little bit more difficult to see here, but that's going to be 1 about there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out to that other side. Okay, so by having drawn all of them, I can be very clear on what this new shape is going to be. All we need to do then is mark in our points that we've got here, label them up, so that one's going to be C prime, that one's going to be B prime, and then taking a ruler, connect up all of the points that we've just made, like so. And that there is our new shape, the image of the original triangle ABC that we had.